How to use an existing template in Write. Hello friends, to use an existing template in Write is very simple. Just follow the procedures that I'll be showing you in this video. And the first step is to log in into your template account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Now once you're on your Write account, the next step is to navigate through to your template folder. Now for you to want to use an existing template, it means that you have a template already. Okay, so next step is to navigate to your template folder and move it to the left side of the screen. By the left side of the screen, you will see options like search, inbox, more, marketing team, space overview, and then templates. Just go ahead and click on templates. Now if you don't have one before, ensure you create one. After logging into your templates, the next step is to select the tags or the project or whatever that you want to use. So of course, I'm sure you have written out details about the tax already, the sub tax or whatever that the tax has. And then the next step is to select the tax or the project or the template that you want to use. Once you selected it, click on the more option button. In the box displayed, click on duplicate. Duplicate is located above save as blueprint. So after selecting duplicate, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll be asked to enter in the name or the duplicate. Then you have to select your location, and then you can select what you want to copy. Then click on duplicate, and then just like that, this tax would be a duplicate and will be used as a template for the tax that you just created. So this is how you can use an existing template in Wrike. Thanks for watching and have a good day.